happen over. I'm almost dead. Come on. Oh yeah. Kill. There we go. Ah. You do it.
Alright.
Stand right behind you with the shield. There we go. Alright, we're off. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. Hard to believe. First person. Oh, I'm so bad. Hang on, before we go on, these guys are giving me way too much trouble. So I'm gonna take them out before we grind. Shut up.
Are we gonna grind?
No. Oh crap. I knew as soon as I said that you were gonna say something. Let's go! Grind!
Whee!
Grind to victory.
Yes, we're gonna grind like we've never grounded before.
Health! Good, I need that. Fortunately, it wasn't that much. Let's go! All my skill I've obtained is like slowly decreasing. Why? Okay, you do it.
Woohoo!
I got it, dude. Don't worry, I'm covering it.
Yay!
I
Success!
think that was the last one.
Good.
Thanks.
So I'm getting dizzy.
More dizzy festivals. Oh my god. Oh, wait.
Boom!
Hang on, let me snipe those guys out again. There.
Anywhere else?
Doesn't look like it. Whoops!
Ipsy daisies.
Okay, you go first.
Let's go.
Oh no. Ah! Where'd they come from?
Ah!
Nah, it's okay, they're blowing up. Kaboom. Watch it. Help. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my.
Whoa!
I think explosions are pretty. Yeah, pretty.
Success.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead. Stay alive. Stay alive. Oh wait, no, it's still alive. Never mind.
Stay there. Stay there.
Watch out behind you. Ah!
You know, I gotta get me one of those battle suits, Juanita.
Let's go.
Yippee!
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Or don't.
Or don't. It doesn't matter.
Like, run away, man. Or run into it. Either way. Either way's fine.
I smell a sitcom.
Oh my god, no.
A liberal
I'm
and
gonna go spook on the edge.
a liberal and conservative living in the same house.
You know,
Hey, what's that?
Whoa!
I knew Ratchet would pull
Success!
Success!
35 to 19.
Come on, let's do this. Let's speed this up a bit.
Yeah, we're
Sooner
gonna
we
beat
get
it
this
up.
over with, sooner I'll be happy.
We're gonna beat it up with my winner. Yeah.
What?
Oh, isn't that a shame?
Never mind.
Uh-oh, they're onto us. We're trying to escape.
Uh-oh.
Didn't explode. There we go. Kill it.
It's dead.
There are 4 camp control nodes in here. Okay, this is one. Come here.
Huh.
Crank that thing.
No, I'm cranking it.
Tee-hee.
Cranking.
Crank it.
Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. I made you out of clay. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel.
With you, I will play. Again, first, same as the straight all day. No, I'm not Jewish. Moving on.
Ratchet run!
Okay.
Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. I made you out of clay. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. Shoot fastest in the face.
Wow. That fit together really well.
It did. It's kind of scary.
Maybe it was meant to be.
Bless for me, bless for you, bless for everybody in the room.
Okay then.
In here.
In there.
In here. Everyone just jumping in the hopping in the jello, and you put the jello in the bowl, and you do all this kind of stuff, and then you put the shield over fastest, and then you get in, and then you run around.
Hey,
What are you doing? Bill Cosby, what are you trying to do?
I don't know, I'm just making weird noises. Hey,
Hey, have you ever fought a Yeti?
Yes, actually I have. Remember Cabela's?
Oh yeah, Cabela's Dangerous Nuns.
The final boss was a Yeti. Gosh. Everything else was fighting normal animals like tigers and bears and elephants and stuff.
Behind you. You feed your lad sandwich. Bang, 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 bang. And there's another note over there, but we're gonna get that last. In here! In here!
Die, 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 die.
Alright, do it again. Rotate, man.
Dude, I'm getting dizzy, Grandma. I hated it at first.
I stole your joke.
You know,
Excelsior!
next time you have a thought, let it go. Say, we're all gay, buddy. Just to what extent?
Okay, man, I get it all. I ain't going that far.
Yeah, you are. I can prove it.
I'm not going there. I'm not about to do it.
Fine, prove it.
You and YouTube will be like, oh, yay, oh, Durka Durka.
Do you like porn? Yeah, I love porn. You know that. Do you watch scenes of just women on women action? No, I watch a man and a woman making love. No, I'm not gonna go that far.
Yes, I would. Oh, wait. What was that noise? It's a giant kaboom.
Sorry, that was me.
Oh.
I chili dogs for lunch.
Oh, wow. Me too. Not really. Actually, I haven't had anything to eat all day.
Yeah, me neither.
So we haven't finished it, so we can eat something.
Yeah! Oh. Oopsie poopsie.
Excelsior!
Yeah,
In your mind, you don't seem to care. Why don't you say it anymore?
Oopsie poopsie.
No, you're supposed to say the other thing.
Excelsior.
Wait for me. Oh yeah, we gotta go to that one with the grapple shots. Come on.
Oh.
Come on over here. It's been a while since I've done this, but we can do it. Alright, let's go.
Ah, yes. I feel like Spider-Man.
Da-na-na. Bestest man is really good. Gay, 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 ow, gay, 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 whoa. I'm saving you. I'm protecting you. Protecting you with a shield. What the heck's going on? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's the last note. Hurry, run.
Success.
Run. Follow me.
Run where?
To me. We're here. We gotta get out of here before the ships show up. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, we're good. Let's go. We're almost done with this part. Would you hurry up? Quit bumping into things.
Bump.
Supposed to bump into things. Shoot it down! Oh my god, Modern Warfare is totally a reason to enter the army.
I know, right? Just like that one guy I talked to. That's the only reason he's entering the military.
Because of Call of Duty Modern Warfare?
Exactly.
I want to do exactly that. I'm sure you do. Don't worry, I'll come back to life.
Wonder how many times he died in that game. Makes you wonder.
He probably didn't die at all, and he thinks he can do it in real life.
Probably it's like, oh dude, it is nothing like real life.
Nothing. I've never been in it, but I'm pretty sure it's nothing like Call of Duty.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it isn't either.
Just want to finish this and get it over with.
Yes.
Where's the hacking thing? That's not it. Must hack or there we go.
Where's the hacking thing?
I got it. I'll do it. You just defend me. Ow! I said defend me!
I am defending.
Not very well, I got hurt.
Oh, I'm defending me too. Sorry.
Well, defend me first. I'm more important, Cole. Come on, ow! Thank you.
Die!
Oh man, it's scary thinking you're gonna be defending my country when you can't even defend me!
Relax, I got this.
Oh crap, I'm almost dead.
I got this.
No you don't!
Yes, I do.
You fail!
I don't fail.
I'm gonna buzz you! Come here! Okay, I'm done.
It's not buzzing, you're just making a boo noise.
This one.
Boo, boo, Bleh. Somehow that makes a buzzy noise. Bleh. Bleh.
Let's go. Meow. Let's talk about the future. Those doors in Star Trek, they go, we got those now. About it.
I believe in a future of robots.
Who said this?
And Will Smith.
iRobot?
Yes. Hey, I like that movie.
Zombie ghost robots.
Zombie ghost robots.
That's what they are.
3 things that really don't need to mix. Because they're kind of dangerous on the run. You got zombies, Resident Evil, ghosts,
Fatal Frame.
and
Robots.
robots.
Mega Man.
Yes.
Really bad. You are a man who is a horse who is a robot. That makes you Man Horse Man 5.
I'm not really a man. I'm a woman.
You do it.
Alright.
Stand right behind you with the shield.
Grind! Whee!
Grind to victory.
Why don't we skip it?
Yes, we're gonna grind like we've never grounded before.
Health. Good. I need that. Fortunately, wasn't. Okay, up and over. I'm almost dead. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, we're off. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. Hard to believe. First person. Oh, I'm so tired. Hang on, before we go on, these guys are giving me way too much trouble. So I'm gonna take them out before we grind. Shut up.
Are we gonna grind?
No. Oh crap. I knew as soon as I said that you were gonna say something. Let's go.